What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Celo, which has pumped up in value a little bit, 80% up in the last 24 hours, making it just above the 59 cents target. So where is it heading to next? Is it going to keep pumping up in value? Is it going to drop back down? Is it time to invest? Is it time to sell? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, how high can it go? Obviously we've only got about 2 weeks left for 2022, so in 2023, is this a must-have crypto, so on and so on. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. We can see the market is down just over a percentage. However, Celo has managed to gain a spot in the top gainers list, as you can see, one of the top 5 gainers, I should say. And in the last hour, it has dropped just over a percentage, but over the last day, it is an overall 7% up. We did see it go a little bit higher earlier this morning to 12%, but it has taken a little dip. Over the week, 2% has been quite volatile, up and down, but overall, it has been more on the positive side. And over the month, 37% up, guys. So can't complain, as you can see here, consistently going up in value, but we have seen it go up 57% here on the 28th of November, hitting the 91 cent target, going up 111%. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by a massive 540% in the last 24 hours. So we do have a lot of people trading the crypto right now. $56 million is the trading volume. So we do have a lot of buyers as well as a lot of sellers. Obviously, when a crypto starts going up in value, a lot of people tend to start investing into it, getting it hyped up and so on. But we are also going to be seeing people selling the crypto and taking out their profits. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top, we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Celo, which is 60 cents at the moment. However, Celo is actually trading at a slightly lower value at 58 cents, meaning, well, it's very, very close to the SMA indicator, but it's still underperforming, but again, by not a lot, so it doesn't really matter. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I will be moving on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that, just a little disclaimer, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming in here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected over the coming hours. So again, guys, I've always mentioned this, whenever you see a crypto doing again, this is not a huge increase, but a decent amount of increase in value in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here. The crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to Celo here. So again, over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, I am expecting it to overall drop down in value. But again, nothing too crazy. It's not going to be a major drop or anything like that. It is going to be minimal, potentially dropping down to about the 55 to 56 cents target is what my predictions are as of right now. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, now we're looking a little bit more bullish. We do have the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking quite steep, and the blue line is again going in a bullish direction, but not looking as steep as the orange line. But essentially, both the blue and the orange line are both going in a positive direction, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what we should expect over the coming days from Celo. So by mid next week, we should be trading above the 62 cents target is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Again, I'm not saying it's going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have days when it's down and it's red, and days when it's green and it's up. It's going to be volatile, just like how it's been over the last couple of days. but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. So yes guys, do expect an overall minimal increase in value over the coming days. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking a little bit more not bullish, but we got two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So as you guys can clearly see, the orange line is looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the blue line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So yes, both the lines are going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what we should expect from Celo over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about late January, early February 2023. We should expect it to more or less trade between 55 and 60 cents, somewhere in between there, unless of course we see a major crypto pump or a major crypto crash that can have a potential impact not just on the value of Celo but the whole crypto market. Hopefully we don't. Hopefully we see more pumps rather than crashes over the coming weeks and months. But again, anything that I can predict or anything that I can, let you guys know, I will make sure to do that as soon as I can and as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's zoom in into the MACD indicator. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone and have been trading in the red zone since, let's have a look here, earlier this year. So around April, May, we dropped into the red zone, and ever since then we've been getting worse and worse and worse, and right now we have ended up in the lowest part of the red zone. So for us to hit the green zone, or the resistance target here, we're gonna have to hit at least $2.70, which I'm not expecting from Celo anytime soon. It's gonna have to go for a major increase in value, around 300 to 400% or even 500% increase for us to hit that target, which again I'm not expecting anytime soon. So more or less over the next 6 to 8 months is very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone, but hopefully towards the end of next year we should be able to head into the green zone or even hit the resistance target and head into the green zone then. But again, it all depends on how the crypto market performs. 2022 has not been too great, a lot of crashes, a lot of dips. As you guys can see, Bitcoin went from $60,000 to $17,000 right now, so that is a major drop in value on Bitcoin. So hopefully next year we should be able to hit another all-time high, not just Bitcoin but most cryptos out there. But again, it's all about the waiting game, so we're gonna have to wait and see how it performs. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Celo, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below your predictions, your expectations on how far this crypto can go. Are you guys investing? Are you guys selling? Or are you guys just holding on to it? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive and negative comments around it. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.